Get up and do it. Yeah, you. Not tomorrow. Not when you feel ready. Right now. Because every second you spend overthinking, someone else is already winning with half your talent. You don't need only motivation. You need movement. The gym, start hard. The business, launch messy. The dream, chase it tired, scared, and uncertain. Nobody successful had it all figured out in the beginning. They just stopped waiting. And listen carefully. Your future is quietly watching the decisions you make today. 1 year from now, you'll either say, "Thank God I started," or "I wish I started." Your phone is stealing your ambition. Your excuses are sounding smarter than your goals. And deep down, you know it. So this is your sign. Get uncomfortable. Get obsessed. Get disciplined. Because confidence doesn't come before action. It comes from action. And the life you want? It's hiding behind a version of you that stops quitting. So stand up, lock in, and prove to yourself that you're capable of more than your excuses. Get up and do it.